Welcome to the AI Copilot walkthrough series, where we go through the starter tasks with the Copilot we built using the AI Employee Kit. In the previous video, we created some competition and market research reports. In this video, we're going to have our AI Copilot design a logo for our business. From the AI Copilot starter prompts page, we're just going to notate the language model, which is ChatGPT 5 Auto, and then we'll go ahead and copy the prompt trigger. We'll go into our Copilot project and we'll change the language model if needed. In the drop down, you just make sure that Auto is selected. And for the rest of the core prompts, this is going to work just fine. So unless you need it to really think and dig deep into some stuff, you can leave it on auto from this point forward. Moving forward, we'll go ahead in the chat box, we'll paste in the prompt trigger, and we'll click on send. Now it's going to go through your brand identity worksheet, and based on the information, it will start to deliver 10 logo concepts for your business. After it delivers the logo concepts, simply go through them until you find one that you like. When you find one that you like, we're going to go ahead and highlight it. We can right click and click copy, and then we'll come down here and paste it in. Then I'm going to simply hit send. It may ask a clarifying question. If so, we're going to go ahead and answer that. And I'll say modern and hit send. And now it's going to go ahead and design your logo. This may take a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and skip forward, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, it's been about a minute and a half, and we now have a logo for our business. It's got our brand colors included, and it's a PNG with a transparent background. So as you see, if you move it, it doesn't have that annoying white box around it. If you want to make changes, you can ask for changes here, or if you like the logo, you can simply put in move forward, and we're going to go ahead and click on send. Again, this may take a few minutes, so I'll be back when it's done. Here we go with the logo kit and the zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and download the zip file. We'll open that up. All right, so we have the logo kit here. We got this opened up, and we can bring it over here, and it shows colors, it gives some guidelines, and it displays the logo. So this is easily sent over. You can send this over to your designers. If you have a designer that you're having t-shirts made or something like that, this will handle that. And now with the logo and the logo sheet, you are good to move forward. Check out the next video as we have our AI Copilot design a mascot for our business. Until then, get your copy of the AI Employee Kit at aiemployeekit.com. I'll see you there.